私はダニエルです。静岡から来ました。静岡大学で勉強しました。
Takpiras belum Jepang.
Vai mi asking mem sampla question blon Japan lo PNG friend blon mi.
Japan is a very good place to study. I think in terms of learning, Japan is very developed country. It has a lot of advanced technologies and a lot of things that can offer us. So Papua New Guinea can learn a lot of things from Japan. First of all, try to know about the culture, the tradition of Japanese people. Japanese people are very cultural. They still keeping their tradition, so it's good. We know the tradition, the culture before we go to Japan. Also, we know the language, try to understand the basic Japanese language. Maybe know the kanjis, also understand a few basic Japanese in order to communicate and get along. So it will help you a lot when you are in Japan. So these are a few things that you need to know before you go to Japan. Arigato gozaimashita.